Welcome back to Fat Bustin' Cookin'. Today we're making homemade burgers. So we've got our ground beef, which we've gotten from a butcher, not the grocery store. Got a couple of eggs from the Hutterites. We've got some bacon from the Hutterites. Garlic, barbecue sauce, which is keto. We get this at Sugar Free and More in Red Deer. There's also an Edmonton location. Mushrooms and onion. Okay, so in this bowl we have our meat, a couple of eggs, onion, and mushrooms, which we have shredded up in our handy dandy kitchen tool. Okay, so we've added our chopped up bacon and a couple of handfuls of 4 cheese mix, shredded. Now it's time to add the spices.
Yeah, Brent, start mixing.
We're gonna mix this up while we're adding the spices to get a good mix. Garlic salt. Say it louder.
Onion powder. A little bit of lemon pepper. And some seasoning salt. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of Frank's Red Hot. A little bit of spice. A little bit of spice in your life. A bit of Worcestershire sauce, however you pronounce that. Minced garlic going in there. You gotta have the garlic because it's good for you. Now we're gonna set them out, just let it rip. And then we're gonna add guys barbecue sauce, and then we're gonna let this marinate for a while. Get all those juices in there. Yummy.
Okay, once this is mixed, we're gonna let it marinate for about an hour or so, and then we'll cook them up. Welcome back, and we are done marinating our meat, and we are forming them into burgers. We have this handy dandy little press, and they come out perfect. We're gonna put them onto the tray.
I need this spatula.
Okay, we got 6 burgers pressed. Now we're gonna add some bacon to the top. Okay, we got the bacon on top of all of them, and they're going in the air. And we're gonna air fry on 25 minutes on 400, but we'll come back at 20 minutes and put some cheese on. Well, check it first of all, and put some cheese on it. All right, we're gonna take them out of the oven and check on them.
Steamy.
Oh, those look amazing.
Easy. Time to cheese.
We're going to put cheese on them.
First we got Havarti. Havarti.
Okay, next cheese.
Monterey Jack.
We love cheese, so we put as many kinds as possible on. However, you could just put one. And our last layer of cheese.
Myrtle.
Alright, back into the oven, and we're going to
Broil that.
broil this for 5 minutes or so. And while we do that, we're going to cut up the lettuce, tomatoes, and the pickles to go on top. Okay.
Ta-da! Yummy.
And
Okay,
this
you
is
gotta
what
get
they
it
look like. So we're going to do a normal toppings. Choose what you want. And for our bread, we like
short.
carbonate hamburger buns.
Oh, I got cheese.
They are dirty keto, but that's what we are, so that's okay. And we get those at Costco. So we're gonna just give them a quick toast, and then we'll be eating. Thank you for watching Fat Bustin' Cooking.